What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds, and we are going to be changing a bracket tray on a 2017 Camaro SS fuse box, underhood fuse box. As you can tell, if you've been watching my videos, just kind of doing updates. We've been fixing parts on this car, so kind of showing everybody how to do it, posting it on YouTube for people to kind of check out through if they're fixing crash cars and things of that sort. So pretty much what we're going to be doing is just replacing this on this box, and we're going to be installing it. So you're going to be needing some flatheads and things of that sort. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, everybody, so we're going to start. We're going to be replacing this bottom bracket panel. And one thing that GM did was nice is they made a three-piece underhood fuse box. So we are going to take off this cap. You don't really have to take off the cap. I'm doing it. And as you can see right here, you have this little clip you're going to push up, and this is kind of like a handle. We're going to slide that up just like that, and what it does is it separates that second tray right here from that bottom tray. So you got the cap, the mid tray that holds all the fuses, and then you have the bottom bracket where all the harnesses run into, and we're going to go ahead and pop that off. So we got the tray out. We got the tray out like that. Okay. And that's what it's going to kind of look like. You're going to have to pop this handle. Let me show you guys. You're going to literally have to pop this handle all the way up and give it a nice push open so it declamps those harness plugs that are on the bottom tray. Now, something else I want to show you guys. So I already took a harness out, right? Because they slip, all they do is they kind of just slip in into the grooves, and I popped out, and you got two clips on each side. So one right there, and then one on this side and one on this side. I already took one out so you guys can kind of get an idea. And the little clips are right there. You're going to use kind of a flathead. I used a small little flathead to break those, to push those out of there. You could see that. Let me show you guys. Right there. All right, and the same goes for this one. So I'm going to pop that. Kind of get that camera. Right there. Then you're going to slide all four out, up top. You're going to slide them up like this towards the sky. And then you're going to just replace the tray itself. Now, let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now all four harnesses are out, and this is the broken one. This is the new one, and we're going to be sliding all four harnesses back. Love how GM designed this, to be honest. Let's go ahead and show you guys. Check this out. It's going to literally slide in just like that. And there goes your new tray. Very nice and clean. So what that does is it comes up here and it sits. Okay, so that's how it looks. We slipped on the second tray and the mid tray, and then we put the cap on top, placed it in there, but I don't have that bracket, so I'm not going to leave it hanging until I get everything in there. Like the engine ECU and all that stuff. So, all right, guys, we're pretty much done. If you guys do have any comments, questions, concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I'll try to get back to you guys as best as possible to my best ability. And I'm going to be continuing some series on this exact Camaro SS2, 6.2 liters. So if you guys want to ask me other questions, I'll try to get back to you guys as best as possible. Or if you guys have work in the Sacramento area or Bay Area that you guys want me to actually do on your guys' cars, I'm able to do that. Just email us below right here, and you can email us and we'll talk details later. But we appreciate your guys' time for watching our channel here at Vagabond Builds. Stay tuned. We got cool things coming.